This is a brand new 2014 Ford Explorer for when safety, size, and space are of importance. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, speed-sensitive volume controls, a multi-link rear suspension, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a voice-activated entertainment system, aluminum wheels, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, dual power seats, and satellite radio. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.